Hi friends. Welcome to our channel. Please take a moment to subscribe to this channel for latest beauty updates. To make this herbal hair oil, we will require some hibiscus leaves, curry leaves, and fenugreek seeds. Put all the ingredients in a mixer jar and grind the mixture into a fine powder. Now the mixture is ready. Add a 10 tablespoon coconut oil. Heat it for 5 to 6 minutes in low flame. After 5 to 6 minutes, turn off the flame, let it cool down for another 5 minutes. Once it cools down, strain the oil from mixture. Next, dip some oil and apply on your scalp and hair. Gently massage onto your scalp for 10 minutes. After that, wash your hair with regular shampoo. You can use this oil 3 times in a week for better results. You can store this hair oil for 7 to 10 days in room temperature. The curry leaves contain antioxidant properties and iron that help strengthen the hair roots and shafts while curbing hair loss. Hibiscus leaves help to prevent premature graying, thicken hair and add volume, and also treat dandruff. Fenugreek seeds contains lecithin, which acts as a natural emollient that conditions and moisturize your scalp and hair deeply. Do subscribe, like and share it with your friends. Thank you.